Nie een nuwe klas hierjon hierso nie op Nampo nie, maar 2. Nee, ons het 'n wiel en 'n trek hierso. Dustin gaan my meer vertel bietjie oor daai trekker. Seker mooi is daai ding. Dis rarig nee. Hulle het daarom die regte stylists gekry.
You were talking about me, how mooi daai ding is. You were definitely talking about me.
Definitely, Dustin. What do you think?
No, yeah.
Klaas Hierjon, we've been waiting for this one for a while. Give me the basics on it and then let's get into the nitty-gritty.
Right, so everyone knows it was launched probably 2 years ago, but we made the choice to wait for the stage 3 version, which is the identical engine just minus the after treatment. So there's no change. It's a clean, efficient engine.
Niks DAF and blauw goed and
no, there's nothing. It's just a big lump of Mercedes engine. We've had a lot of people saying, "Oh, new engine." No, chaps, this has been in the Jaguars for years, still is. You know, the 600, 650 horsepower Jaguar, same engine. So it's a proven engine, proven for fuel. You'll see between the two straight away, we've got different weight packs on.
Yeah.
All right. That one's bare weight, without weights, 25 tons. This one's bare weights, without weights, 19 tons. Hence the different weight packages. And you'll see chocolate block Lego type system. You can take them from the front to the back with a forklift in 5 minutes.
Forklift af en nou gaan jy.
Yeah, and even to get your front weight off, ask Chris, 5 minutes and it's off. So it's all about fuel, etc.
Nou, okay. Vertel my nou eens hierdie besigheid, né? Hoekom het Klaas nou besluit om nou regtig hierdie knakker roete te gaan?
Yeah, not a knacker.
Not a knacker.
Not a knacker, it's a chassis tractor.
That
Chassis tractor with 4 wheels.
Yeah,
No. Go have a look around the back.
No, it's knocking here.
No, there's no knack. There's a big chassis underneath there.
So it's a solid chassis.
A solid chassis, 4-wheel steer. Turns sharper than a 6-wheel tractor.
Jeez. Oh, so it works like that.
Yeah.
Now, okay, now hoekom so? Why not knocking?
Okay, because ek het nie gaan vra, daar's 'n oom net om die hoek.
Jou pappa is net agter die trekker, dink ek.
So the whole class that built this tractor on the whole ethos, they build all the tractors. 50-50 weight distribution means with a 3-point machine, any machine, you don't have to weight it up too heavily. You get the traction to the ground, and it's a more efficient design. It steers like a car. You can run 3-point machines on without having side pressures. It ticks all the boxes.
Maar help dit nie ook? Want ek meen, snaaks genoeg, 'n knakker se swakste punt is daar waar hy knak.
Ja.
Nee.
Ja.
Ek het gespot, ek was net nou daar by die John Deere en so sê ek, wat het julle nou hier versterk dat die engine nie weghardloop aan die agterkant nie.
They must have appreciated you.
So, maar in hierdie geval is dit solid chassis en die res draai rondom dit.
Yeah. The wheels turn around. It drives like your Hilux. The front wheels take the steering first, and then once it picks up the angle you want to go, it'll kick the back end in. So you'll never get sideways forces. You'll never be unstable on the road. So it's very cleverly designed.
Maar help dit nie ook dat ek hom vir meer kan gebruik as net 'n riptrekker en maak hom 'n bietjie meer versatile?
If you've got a big farm and half your farm is contours or sidelands, you can put a 3-point on, you can get into the corners, you can get into everywhere. You can cultivate every corner of your farm. So
hy kan draai.
Yeah. And that's not its party piece. The party piece, this one, 650 horsepower, 480 kilowatt, 3,100 Newton meters of torque at 1350 RPM.
What?
1,350 RPM.
So it's idle.
Basically idle.
Jeez.
Depending on the load, the work, 80 to 90 liters an hour. If anyone has big knackers, this sort of horsepower, you know where your fuel bills are, work that one out, what it's going to save for you in the long run.
Kyk hoe vinnig kom jy by daai sommetjie uit.
Ja.
Okay, nou kom ons net gou na hierdie ene toe, nee, na die tracks ene toe, want verduidelik my dan nou net wat se verskille hierso.
Okay, so everything you see underneath is exactly the same.
Right.
All right.
Want hier kan jy nou actually mooi sien, hè. Daai se luister hier, kyk hierso. Kyk daar, nee. Yes. As dan maar ding is wat jou 'n warm gevoel gee aan die binnekant, nee. Dan is dit nou daai prentjie. Dis nou hoe 'n trekker moet lyk, nee, in elk geval. Okay, so hier kan jy nou mooi sien hoe hardloop die chassis reg deur daai kant toe en dan 'n baie mooi view van die engine. Verduidelik my gou die tracks.
Okay, tracks are, again, it's a class design track. It's not a third-party track coming from the Paderborn factory, which has been building the standard Terra track on combines in the 960s for 20 years. We at Class have always said, oh, that's the best design, no heat, lasts forever. You know, so now suddenly we're entering into the triangle track market. So we've changed a lot of things on the triangle track because it's our own product. The way we drive it, the width of the lug, the bending angle, micro vibrations out through dampening. I see a lot of the other guys have it. Everyone's realized micro vibrations are the killer of tracks. So Class have spent a huge amount of time and money to develop a track that lasts in South African conditions. Comfortable ride. Everything is designed to dissipate heat. The lugs, you'll see, they are very big lugs and they're very close together. So your pull frictions on the track are very short.
En jy het baie meer lugs wat op 'n gegeewe tyd grip as ek dit so kan stel.
Yeah. So each lug is taking a little bit of the force, not a huge amount of force. So again, like everyone else, we've got clear oil caps so you can see what's going on in the wheels because those are a vital part of any track system. So visual check.
Dan ek jy vinnig gou check hierso, luister hier. Okay, right, daar is ons my olie levels. Baie cool.
So yeah, these tractors, 430 liters of oil with a 3-point linkage, over 430, 540 without the 3-point linkage because we need the space for the spools. It sounds funny, but we need the space for the spools. 12.8 ton on the lift, category 5 on the drawbar. PTO.
Why? Sorry. But, wag.
Well, you can put a PTO on, this is what I'm saying.
We don't bring it in.
The PTO will cost you exactly the same on build as well as a retrofit option.
So it's better just to stick it on there just in case.
Yeah.
En nou kan ek my baler ook sleep met.
Yeah, so air brakes, oil brakes, you never know what this thing's going to get up to. If you have a really bad season, you want to haul grain out. We've got dual line air brakes rigged up, no third party system. We've got the oil brakes. We want to pump your wheel tractor's tires up. Here's a bit of air for you at the back. It's all about convenience.
And before we get to that, why have I got a baler self-lubricating system there?
Because if you have a beach house, you put an alarm in it to protect it.
Yeah.
Automatic greasing, the right dose, the right time on these swivels. You can understand this tractor being 25 tons bare, 28 plus the forces on your swivels or your knuckle joints. Every day it's getting the right amount of grease.
Greases
himself. Warns you if it's low. Tweak it.
It's now one of those things where I go like, because that technology has been around for years, and I'm like, kom het laat jy lankal gedoen.
Yeah, no, it is. I mean, TTs, we bring them in with TT, we bring them in with these. We want to protect your investment. We know these things aren't cheap. We want them to last, and we want you to enjoy the 4 cubic meter cab on top there.
Almost your biggest selling point. Jy hoef nie meer grease gun op te pas nie.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, you were going to say about these...
So yeah, we've got 100 litre priorities. We've got big load sensing. There isn't a seed drill planter that this tractor won't manage. You see the size of the nose of it. That shows you the cooling pack. It is just, it was a very well thought out tractor. I think it fits South African market to a T. Stylish design. Big Mercedes engine. You know.
This is stuck rots, nee. Okay, but let's get inside and quickly show me.
This side, sorry, we're going
to
this side.
Kant.
Yeah, can we just... Sorry, that one is sold, so the owners asked us not to...
okay, so hy sê hulle asseblief om net toe maak.
asseblief sluit hom. So you want to jump in first?
You can go in first, is it makliker? As dit makliker vir my om af te neem. Sorry, kan ons gou vinnig opkom, dankie.
Ek kan nou opkom.
Jy kan hom nou deurtrek. Op. Right, so that wasn't too difficult.
No, for sure. You'll see, you can sit next to me. We both well fed and we can fit into this cab without butting elbows. You can have a person there. It's 4 cubes of cab space, side wipers, pull down blinds, everything that you can want. The standard class C-Motion controller, cruise pilot, ZF CVT transmission. One of the few tractors to have a CVT in this horsepower.
And listening to what I've realized is there's a lot of other manufacturers that uses class cabs on their products.
Yeah, a lot of potato products. So this is
And why is that? Is that just because of the design?
the design, the ergonometry of it. If you shut the door, you sit in this cab, it is incredible. You know, fridge, awesome.
Mazai.
Proper fridge, keep the waters and the cold drinks closed, cool on a long day. You put it into crew, you tell your steering to steer, you kick back. What a pleasure. There's space for my backpack, my cool drinks, I can charge my phone. This is how...
En dan moet ietsie breek op die plant erin, hè?
Yeah, then you are going to swear. And if you had to get out of this to go and grease it, how angry would you be?
Nee, ek stem saam met jou.
No, exactly.
Ek wil net vinnig kyk hier, nee. Want en die visibility is bloody goed van hier af, nee.
No, it is. It is. We do put a camera on the back because it does get a bit blind down
Nee,
for
but only
hitching.
there at the bottom. Maar oor die algemeen is daar's 'n groter stuk by die ander knakkers wat jy nie reg kan sien nie.
Yeah. So, and then you've got that walloping bonnet.
Yes!
Closing that engine and big radiator pack.
Ja, en ek like die steerwiel, nee.
No, it's incredible. And you've got dual split. You couldn't ask for more in a tractor.
Nee, I don't think you could ask for more, period.
Yeah.
Right, sir. Okay. Klaas, Zerion, nee. Hey, luister hier is, jy moet hierdie trekker kom kyk. Dit is awesome. Jy kan nie glo wat, ja. That's why I love capitalism. It gives us stuff like this. Really. So ja, as julle belangstelling bo 400 km in kontak kom, tot volgende keer. Groete.